Namaste. This is Ali, and this is a guided visualization. Will you take a moment to bring your hands to Yana Mudra and place them comfortably in the lap, closing down through the eyes and lengthening up through the spine. This visualization is meant to support you in creating your dream life and is a beautiful practice to take up first thing in the morning. This is one of my daughter's favorite things to do in the morning, and so I wanted to create this recording for her, especially for those moments where I am away and she can continue to do this practice along with me even when I am not there. This meditation is meant to help you align with your dream reality. And this is a beautiful practice for your energy and the power of your subconscious mind. Harnessing the power of your imagination, the subconscious mind will begin to work for you, and this process begins to make it familiar with exactly what you envision for your dream life. So take a moment to feel the length of your spine. Ensure that your body is completely comfortable, softening through the jaw, relaxing the tongue, parting the teeth, and releasing through all of the little muscles of the eyes, the forehead, shoulders melting down and away from the ears. Could you begin by taking a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. This time as you inhale, could you imagine beautiful bright white light pouring in through the crown of your head? And exhale, letting go, releasing, softening. Inhaling this light, filling each and every cell in your body. And as you release, you might imagine just letting go of old patterns, whatever's no longer serving you in this moment. Inhaling deeply, drawing this light down into your body. Exhaling with a sigh, letting it all go. Let this next breath be the deepest breath yet this morning. And releasing, letting it all go. Let your breath settle now back into a comfortable and easy rhythm. Welcoming your whole body to be completely relaxed, your whole self awake and aware, opening up to a sense of presence that's already available, that's already happening. Letting yourself settle into this beautiful sense of stillness. There's nothing to do here but settle into this stillness that's already available when you allow yourself to relax back into it. And from this place of stillness and feeling grounded and present, this is a beautiful time to welcome whatever it is that you're inviting into your life. If you could attract anything into your reality, what might that look like? Begin to imagine inviting a scene of a moment in your future. What is it that you desire for yourself? And what are the feelings that it will invoke for you? Could you feel those feelings now, in this moment? What are you calling into your life? And why do you want it? What will this open up for you? Really tuning into the sensations of how it will make you feel when this becomes your reality. What are those feeling tones? Taking this scene in your imagination, and it can be just a few moments, just a few moments long. Within your imagination, this scene is a part of your future that you're experiencing, a moment in your future reality where what you want is already true. Creating a scene where your dream is already yours. Just a sweet, simple moment in your day-to-day life where you're feeling and experiencing the gratitude that comes along with living your dream life. And allow this vision within your mind to get more and more clear, more and more real. Notice where you are in this future moment. What can you see and hear? What aromas are present? What are you doing? What are the sensations as you repeat this moment over and over? Welcoming the feeling tones of this moment. Experiencing and exploring this place as you repeat this moment over and over. Practicing the actual experience. And each time you do this, allowing it to feel more and more real, creating this muscle memory of your future reality within your being right now. As you imagine cherishing this moment in your mind, as you gently repeat this scene over and over, could you imagine this scene getting even clearer, even more real? Could you welcome the emotions that you feel when this scene becomes your reality? What does that feel like in your body? Could you experience it as true right now in this moment? Welcoming the sensations to become even stronger, as if the sensations could radiate beyond your body. It's all happening. It's already done. Perhaps a gentle smile crosses your face. Your dream is true here in this moment. What does that feel like? Does it bring a sense of gratitude, happiness, relief, peace, appreciation, safety, allowing these sensations to flood your entire being, welcoming the power of your mind, of your subconscious mind, as you feel these sensations and allow them to grow, becoming an even more powerful anchor to your dream reality. Feel yourself radiating with the feelings like a lighthouse, a beacon, a vibrational magnet. Repeating this scene one more time in your mind. And take a deep breath now, breathing it in. And release through the mouth. Another deep breath in through the nose. And letting it go. And one more time, a deep breath in and out. Keeping the eyes closed for another moment or two. Just sort of simmering in this sensation, knowing that the more that you spend time here in this place, in this vision, in this place of your imagination, the more you become an anchor, and the subconscious mind begins to work for you to create the circumstances for your dream reality to manifest into the world. So you might consider, what is one thing you could do today or this week? One thing you could take an inspired action towards creating that dream reality for yourself? And what might that look like? And take another deep breath in, breathing in your own power. And exhaling, let it go. Remembering that thoughts become things. You might welcome yourself to carry these feelings forward with you into your day today. You can begin to slowly flutter the eyes open. And thank you so much for joining me today. Know that you can repeat this visualization each morning to give your dream reality even more power and even more chance to manifest into the world. I hope that you enjoyed this and that you carry those feelings of gratitude or whatever came up for you in this practice along with you throughout your day today. You can save this practice if you like by clicking the 3 little dots beneath this video to open the Save tab. You can create your own little playlist to come back to this technique. If you'd like more videos harnessing the power of the subconscious mind in this way, please let me know in the comments below. And you might let me know what you're calling into your reality. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. And to my daughter, I love you, sweetie. I hope you have a wonderful day today. I miss you. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you be free. Namaste.